So this is like an 1.5 by 5 piece of 6061 T6. Wow. How fast are you running that base mill?
6,000 RPM, 160 inches a minute, with 233,000 steps a cut.
Oh man. That's the way to move that metal.
Yeah, getting rid of it.
So what's this next cutter coming up?
This is a 3/4 inch 3 flute. It's
Carbide?
Carbide, running 12,000 RPM, 700,000 steps a cut at 225 inches a minute.
Man, that's scary. Look at that. I love this little Haas SS. Look at that. Wow. What kind of motor are you getting on that cutter?
There in the corners, it's going 200%.
200%. Oh my God. Wow. That's pretty cool.
30 horses, 200%.
Man, those jaws really hold, don't they?
Yeah. Keep in mind, it's just 60 thousandths of material it's holding on to.
That's crazy. Man, that's going to save a lot of time on a bench bar job, didn't it?
Yeah, well.
Cool. Let's take a look close.
Sure.